Right. Good morning, everyone. Are you able to hear me? Fine. Happy Raksha Bandhan. So, how many of you are celebrating Raksha Bandhan by moving out from your home to your sister or brother home? So, today we have a big effect on Raksha Bandhan. People are not attending class today. Less strength here. Okay. My sincere request, please don't move out of your home. Stay home, stay at home, stay safe. Okay, send e-Raksha Bandhan to your brother, sister. Okay, send e-Raksha Bandhan to your brother. Okay, ask your brother to send money through Google Pay to your account. Okay, then send e-Laddu to your brother. Then ask him to buy Laddu physically there and eat. Understand? So, this year, living is big achievement. So if I don't give my Raksha Bandhan to my brother, along with your Raksha Bandhan, he will also give you Corona also. Understand? This year, e-Raksha Bandhan is necessary. Physical Raksha Bandhan is not necessary. If you and your brother there in the same home, it's okay. Understand? So that's why stay in home. Don't spread Corona outside. Stay in the home. Clear? Don't spread Corona. Don't go outside. Living is more than enough to this year, 2020. In 2021, we will do Raksha Bandhan celebrations with with our salary. Are you catching my point? With our salary, we will celebrate. This year, only stay in the home and don't too much worry about Raksha Bandhan. No, Telugu people, it's okay. Much not important. But North Indians, you are giving lot of important to Raksha Bandhan, right? Of course, Telugu people also will give important. But in North Indians, you will celebrate as a big festival. But this year, if your brother is not with you, please try to don't go to your brother place. Please stay in the home only. Don't go outside. It's my humble request. Behave like a educated person. Show your little bit common sense. Okay, na? Fine. Okay, that's all. Let's start the session. How many of you missed yesterday, day before yesterday class, means Saturday, Friday classes? Saturday, Friday festivals. Maybe some of you missed the class. Okay. Saturday and Friday classes also I have streamed because of festival. Okay. So here you have those videos. Let me share those videos links. Compiler JVM class path FAQs. This is Saturday class. Okay. This is Saturday class. Today class is continuation to that. And previous class. Yeah, this is Core Java 9 a.m. batch. This is Friday class. People who missed Friday and Saturday class, please collect these links and try to watch those classes today. Okay. Yeah. Prince Gupta, all my batches are 2 hours, not 1 hour. Okay. Every class I will take 2 hours. So new batch, I'm starting from August 5th, time 4 p.m. is also, it is 2 hours and duration is 3 months. Okay, all the people receive that links, and people who missed that, you can watch. Shall we start today class now? Continuation to last class. In your senior batches, I'm teaching a project, big project. I'm teaching bank application project. I'm teaching in their batches. I will teach the same project in your batch also, but I need your cooperation. Every day you need to practice. 7 a.m. batch and 11 a.m. batch are your senior batch students. So 7 a.m., 11 a.m. batch students are practicing every day class. One day also they are not postponing. They are very active. Every day topic they are practicing. So next day, whenever I am explaining any topic, combining with the previous chapters, they are enjoying the class like anything, and they are understanding every topic I am explaining. So I'm requesting you also do the same. Every day if you practice, then when I'm teaching the project, then you will easily understand. You can participate. You can tell the mistakes. 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. batch students come to a stage. They are correcting my mistakes also. They are correcting the logic mistakes also. They are giving the guidelines to develop correct project also. Okay. So it is your responsibility to take initiation and to start practice everyday topic. Should not postpone today topics to tomorrow, tomorrow topics to day after tomorrow. If you do like that postponing, then finally you are going to miss lot of subject. One point you remember, today topic if you postpone to tomorrow, then tomorrow topic, today topic combined, postpone to next day. Like that, 3 months of the course, every day you are postponing, postponing, postponing. And finally, again you need to spend more 3 months for practice. By the time, by the time your batch is completed, your classmates are already completed their practice and they're ready for the interview. But you people are still in practice mode. Then there is a gap between you and your friends. 3 months to 1 year difference will be there. So that's why I'm requesting you change your mindset. Okay, start practicing from today itself. And now tell me, so today class story is what? Practicing class path and practicing source file entry questions. So in last class we completed compiler and JVM entry questions, right? Compiler and JVM entry questions we are practicing. Okay, now these are the questions we completed. What is compiler, what is JVM, what is role of compiler, role of JVM, all these topics, right? Now up to 30 questions we completed, and while learning these topics, we learn up to Java 9 version given enhancements also we learn. All you people remember? Just recollect once. I'm not going to give you revision. Okay? So because that day I given very clearly all explanation. Again, revision means it takes a lot of time again. So moving to the next topic. Okay, try to think these questions. Okay, now in last class we learn we must save dot class file in a separate directory, not in the same .java file directory. If you save in a .java file directory, then in future if you want to separate, it takes a lot of time and it's consuming. Maintenance will become lot of problem. That's why you decided to separate them in a separate folder, right? So we have created our own folder called C. In C drive, we created our own folder called test folder. Let me go to the two folders. Open C drive, open C drive, C drive, test folder. In test folder, I have sample.class. This is our .class file stored directory. What is our current directory? Current directory means .java file saved directory. That is core Java, Java basics. This is the present working directory. Okay. Now I'm opening command prompt. How to open command prompt? Go to start, type cmd. Okay, command prompt is open. Then change drive. Which drive I have to change drive? .class file or .java file? .java file. D:/. Okay, D:/. Then change drive cd 01 core java /01 java basics. Okay, change the drive. Then next, now you have to type here Java. I want to run sample class. Already I compiled yesterday, right? Now I wanted to run. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will compile 1 second. Okay, people who missed last class, you can understand now. Let me also show that point. Now Java C sample.java. If you compile Java C sample.java, .class file saved in the current directory Java basics folder. Look at that, saved in the Java basics folder. And if it is available here, you can directly run Java sample. Java sample you can run. Then output I am getting hello. Okay, now I got output hello. But my requirement is what? I don't want to save in the same directory. Delete it. I want to save in different directory. Then Java C sample should not compile directly like this. You must tell to compiler save in another directory. For that you must use option called -d, following by here you must use the path. What the path? C:/test. Press enter. So look at there, sample.class file is copied into C:/test. Now the question, is this test folder I must create before earlier to compilation? Before to compilation should I create? Not required. From which version? Java 9 version. Look at there, test folder, it is implicitly created. Test folder able to create, and then now .class file copied. From which version? From Java 9 version. Up to Java 8 version, you people must create explicitly the test folder. Okay. The next point, tell me now. After compiling this program, .class file is saved in different directory. Now I want to execute the .class file available in C drive test folder from the current directory Java basics folder. Is it possible or not possible? Come on, please tell me answer. Is it possible or not possible? Is it possible or not possible? Not possible. JVM will throw exception. Could not find or load main class. Okay, java.lang.class not found exception. Are you able to recollect yesterday class all the JVM error enhancement from 6 to 7 to 8 to 9? Okay, must recollect all these points. Bolo no. So now tell me, after seeing this error message, you must tell one point. Sir, how can I access the sample class which is available in different directory? I have two options. Number one, change the class path. Currently, the class path is what you are telling? Java basics. Currently, we are telling the path is what? Sample class path is what? Java basics not available. Then change the path. Change C drive. Change to C drive. And then change it to CD. What do you call a C:/test folder. Okay, now you run here, output will come hello. Okay, now in my project sample class I'm changing saving one directory, example.class saving in another directory, a.java file I'm saving in another directory. Hello, Then if I am saving these directory files, these classes in different directory, every time if you ask me to change class path, change class path, change class path, is it a feasible solution? Is it a manual work or not? What is the solution for this? You must not change your folder directory. You must be in your current working directory where you have saved your Java files, your project folder. You must be in your project folder. From this project folder, you must access the classes available in another directory. For that, which environment variable we must create? Is it path or class path? Come on, sir. Everyone should answer. Which environment variable I must create? Path or class path? You wanted to access now. Path or class path? Class path. You want to access class. So you must set class path. Tell me, class space path. Everyone is typing class space path. Class space path. It's wrong. All people type once again. Class path without space. Upper case or lower case? 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 Windows operating system can be uppercase or lowercase, but in Linux operating system, if you are working, then it will not work with uppercase. Linux operating system is case sensitive. You must save in a lowercase. So habituate with lowercase. Okay, and some people will work with mixed case. Windows operating system will work with uppercase, lowercase, mixed case, because Windows operating system is not case sensitive, but Linux operating system is case sensitive. So you have to work with only lowercase there. So please try to work with lowercase. And tell me now, I have to set class path. And tell me, I am setting class path for command prompt software or for compiler and JVM software. You wanted to find dot class file. Is a dot class file input to command prompt? No. The dot class file is the input to compiler and JVM. For compiler software and JVM software, we must set class path. Now tell me, set class path equal to C:/test folder. Compile, set class path. Then now if you run Java sample, will it work or not? Yes. I'm getting output. So final conclusion, tell me, I have classes in one directory or one folder. I have class in one directory. I want to access that classes from another directory classes. If you want to access classes from one directory to another directory, you must set what? Class path. Class path is used by Java or JVM. Class path is used by JVM or compiler software to find the dot class files, because dot class file you are giving input to Java. Tell me how Java command can be find. Java command can be find by using path variable. It is input to whom now? Command prompt. Command prompt should find Java command by using which variable? Path variable. Okay, and class path must be find by Java, because Java should find sample class. Can I hope all the people got clarity here? Everybody got clarity? So tell me, this is temporary settings or permanent settings? Temporary settings. It is available only for this command prompt window. If you open new command prompt window, is this class path available or not available? Not available. Okay, na? So this is a temporary setting. It's not available for what? Another, another command prompt window. What should I do to make it available for all command prompt windows? I have to set permanently. So tell me how to set permanently. How to set permanently? Right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Now in which environment variable you must create class path? User variables or system variables? System variables. In system variables, do you have class path? Come on. In system variables, do you have a class path? No. Then what to do? What to do? I must create new variable. Click on new. Earlier we have used edit. Now I am using new variable. Variable name is what? Class path. Hello, don't show your typing talent. You should not give the space. Class path with lower case, Mr. Abhay. Re Babu, Abhay, Kamal Hassan. Abhay cinema there na Kamal Hassan. I already told you habituated with lowercase. If you habituated with uppercase in Linux operating system, you will face problem. So variable name is class path, habituated with lowercase. Okay, fine. Class path following by variable name. What the variable name? Variable name completed. Variable value C colon slash. Okay, test. Sukriti Gyan. I am not talking about Windows 10. I am trying to tell you Windows OS. I am telling. I didn't use the version number, na. Any OS, same procedure. Any Windows version, same procedure. Okay. Go to environment variable, same process. Right click on this PC, or Windows 7 has my computer. Right click on my computer. Go to advanced system settings. Then come to environment variables. Then click on new button. Enter class path. Enter C colon test. Okay. Look at there. One new entry created, class path. Click on OK. Click on OK. Close this window. Okay. Now tell me. Come to new command prompt. Exit. Okay. Exit. Open new command prompt window. Now new command prompt window. CMD. Bolo. New command prompt window. This new command prompt window, when you open, every time I have to change the path, na. It's a lengthy process. I wanted to make it simple. Shortcut. What the shortcut? This command prompt window you can open from the folder also. Okay. What is the path here? Core Java, Java basics. Come here, press F4. When you press F4, you will get the path like this. Okay. It will be selected here. Then click on, type CMD, open command prompt directly from the current working directory. So CJ, look at their path is coming directly with the D drive core Java, Java basics. You no need to every time change the path. Right click, close once again. Come here, click here and type CMD, open it. So now complete path is coming. This is the shortcut. Today onwards, we are following it. Okay. Core Java, Java basics. Bolo, what I should type now here? Java C. Sorry, Java sample. Tell me, when I run Java sample, will you get error? Everyone try to answer. Will you get error? Some people are telling yes. Some people are telling yes. Okay. Still they may be in a sleeping mode only. Okay. Still they are using their brain only. Okay. If you use your brain, problem will come. Don't show your talent. Never use your brain. Okay. Never use your brain. Try to use the points I have given. If you use your brain, pakka, you will give wrong answers. Your brain is a B.Tech brain, MCA brain, BSc brain, BCA brain, which is useless brain, dirty brain, brainless brain. Okay. Are tumri fellow. Are tumri fellow. Already we have set class path, na? Already set class path, right? Already permanent settings is there, na? Huh? That's why I say B.Tech brains are empty brains, brainless brains. Subject wise empty, but social media wise, very active. Okay, already very active. Social media wise, any question ask, bah, asla very sharp answer will come. Subject wise, any question ask, silent. No. I never participate. Okay, I paid 2,500 to you. You only should teach everything. You only should give answer. Question is yours, answer also yours. I am the best view. I'm the best viewer. I'm best watchman. You are here to become watchman, huh? Mr. Watchman. Come on, wake up. Exit. Open new command prompt window. CMD. Then echo percentage class path percentage. What the class path already loaded? C colon test. Then when I type Java, what do you call a sample? What happened? Java command JVM software can now search for sample.class file in the class path variable stored folder test available. It's going there, executed, output coming, hello. So any number of command prompts you open, now it's a permanent class path, so it will work. Everybody got clarity? Yeah, fine. Now I'll do one thing. I just did explain you how to set the class path. I am removing that class path. Okay, advanced system settings, environment variables. I'm removing this class path. How can I remove? Delete. Okay, okay, close this window, go back to new command prompt window. Right, tell me, if I remove the class path permanently, already open command prompt have any effect? No, already class path loaded, still it is available here. Java sample output will come. So exit, close this, exit, and open new command prompt window again. Okay, open new command prompt window, F4 CMD select. Tell me, echo percentage class path percentage, what will come? Nothing will come. Percentage class path percentage will come because class path is not there, permanently not there, temporarily we have not set. Okay na? Now I'm asking question, how many ways we can set class path? First question number one, if you save the class in different directory, if you save class in a different directory, you cannot access from the current working directory. In order to access classes from one directory to another directory, we must set class path. Using class path, we are informing to compiler and JVM in which directory the class is available. So by using class path environment variable, compiler and JVM software can find the classes available in different directory. Point number one clear. Point number two, how many ways we can set class path? Okay, like path variable, we can also set class path in a two ways. One is temporarily, number two permanently. Wonderful. Okay, today we are learning some more ways of setting path, class path also. Look at that. I am just to enter Java, press enter key. Then it will show that what are the different ways of using this Java command usage. Java command can be used usage, Java, following by options. Okay, following by options, main class, args. Main class is nothing but class name, main method class name, and some arguments we can pass to execute a class. And even I can execute that main class from jar option also to execute a jar file, Java options hyphen jar, jar file and arguments. Even I can also execute from main class in a module. From the module also we can execute. So Java options hyphen m module or main class argument. Okay, also we can execute from source file also. This is Java 11 new version, Java options. Okay, so source file arguments. Okay, listen carefully. So these are two options available up to Java 8 version. Up to Java 8 version, we can run Java command, we can run the class either directly by .class file or from the jar file. This option is available from Java 9 version. This option is available from Java 11 version. So we can run a class totally in how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. 4 ways we can execute. Okay. In all these 4 ways, observe, we have a something called what? Options, 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 options. Okay. Right, tell me, what are the different options? Okay. The options are, look at it. These are the options. Where options include, first one is what? Hyphen CP, hyphen CP, hyphen class path, hyphen class hyphen path. Can you please read the description side? Read the description side. Hyphen CP, it is meant for class search path. Hyphen CP following by, you have to give what? Class search path of directories and zip or jar files. You can place in zip file or you can place in jar file. Zip is not recommended, jar only recommended. Jar is the Java related. And next, you can use hyphen CP shortcut, or you can use hyphen class path also. Hyphen class path following by the same directory path where the class is available. From Java 9 version onwards, we have one more option called hyphen class path. Is there any difference between these two options and this option? No difference. Okay, now both are same. All three are no difference. All three are same, no problem. Okay. So in all these three options, if you wanted to mention multiple folders path or multiple jar file zip files or multiple directories, what you have to use? separator you must use. Semicolon separator you must use like in path. Are catching my point? So this is a shortcut, this is a full cut, and this is Java 9 option. Any option you can use. So tell me now, totally how many ways we can set class path? How many ways we can set class path now? 5 ways. What are the 5 ways? Number 1, using hyphen CP. Number 2, using hyphen class path. Number 3, by using hyphen class hyphen path. Okay. Now, actually, all these 3 are the same purpose, na? Then I should say 5 ways or 3 ways. These all the 3 options should count as what? 1 way. You must not say 3 ways. Hello. All these 3 are meant for same purpose. Just they are alternative. Okay. We should say only 3 ways. These 3 options you must combine as a 1 way. So tell me what the 3 ways we have to set path? 3 ways. First way is what? Using Java option. Using Java command option. Second way, using set class path option. Okay, using set class path. Don't say option. And next, third way, by using what? Permanent settings. Okay, there are 3 ways. 3 ways we can set class path. Using Java command options, I can say options, and using set class path, using permanent settings. You know, because I said 3, other faculties will tell 5. Why? Because Harikrishna telling 3 na. So if Harikrishna telling 3, I should not tell 3. I should say, I should confuse the student. So I should say 5. All are catching my point? Harikrishna telling 5, then I will say 3. Okay, I never follow Harikrishna. I never follow other faculty. I should confuse the students. Okay, I should show my talent. Okay, I should confuse the student. I should blame other faculty. This is only the target of we people, we faculties fighting. Remember, if faculty telling 5 approaches or faculty telling 3 approaches, okay, some faculties will combine these 3 approaches and say that 3 approaches. Some faculties will take each option as a separately and say that 5 options. I am telling you 99% of the books, websites and trainers don't know these 3 options. Okay, 99% people don't know. They always will only know it. You know, set class path temporary option. Number 2, environment variables window permanent settings. Only these 2 options people will tell. These options very rarely people use. Okay, na? But you people know everything. How to answer to the interviewer, take care. Never worry about other faculty comments. Only worry about full knowledge and how to answer to the interviewer. You please try to aware that. Enough. Now, shall we work with the hyphen CP hyphen class path? Shall we start working it? Clear screen. Clear screen. Tell me first you observe, is a class path already there? No class path. Environment variable class path is not defined. Okay, this command prompt is empty. There is no environment class path. Now I wanted to run. I want run Java sample. Always keep the directories, 2 directories open like that. Down command prompt open like this. Java sample run. You got error. Now I want to solve this error. Then I have 5 options are there. I want to use the first option. Java space hyphen CP following by the directory path where your class is available. You must mention following by what I should write now? Sample. Enter. Look at there. I got output hello. 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 Are you understand? Then next tell me. There is a small twist now. Java sample if I write, will it work or not? Come on, come on. If I write Java sample, will it work or not? It will not work. We will get error. Could not find or load main class sample. Amma. Why it is not working? Why it is not working? If you use your BTech brain, it will work. If you use software engineer brain, new brain if you use, it will not work. So which brain you are using, try to realize, Mr. Bikram Sahu. Bikram Sahu. Are you from Orissa? Bikram Sahu, are you from Orissa? Oh, wonderful. Okay. Then come to the point now. Come to the point now. There are so many fans from Orissa. So many students. Maximum Orissa students will attend my class. Okay, thank you so much. Many people, Orissa people, many people will love me. Okay. Come to the story now. Java hyphen CP C colon test. Here, Aribuji, hyphen CP, you are working with Java command. It will work only for one command line. Okay, it will work with only one command line. If you go to next command line, you are using Java. This hyphen CP option work with only this command. If you run the command again, this previous command options will not come. These options are command line wise temporary. These are temporary, working with only one command line. If you go to next command line, it will not work. Is it clear? Is it clear? Shall I go to the next point and tell me, use this knowledge, okay? Now, I am running Java sample. I got error again. And tell me, I want to use second option, Java full cut. Hyphen CP is a shortcut abba. Hyphen class path. Hyphen class path following by C colon slash test following by sample. Will it work or not? Yes. Output hello coming. Tell me, if you run Java sample without hyphen class path option, will it work now? Now this time everyone should answer. Come on. Will it work or not? No, will not work. We'll get error. Java.lang. Class not found exception. We will get output. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? Everyone got clarity? Yeah? Fine. Right. Now clear screen. Tell me now. Now Java sample, we got error. Can I use a third option? Java 9 version. Java 9 version option. Hyphen class hyphen path. Class hyphen path. So Java 9 version onwards, if the options are having two words, they are separated by hyphen. Okay. So this is Java 9 version onwards. These options are again recreated. Starts with a hyphen following by first word separated by hyphen second word. Like this, they are recreated. No need to worry. You just accept and continue. Okay. Then following by C colon slash test. Then will it work or not? Yes. Hello is coming. If you run without option, again we are getting error. So final conclusion is what? Java command options will work only for one command line. Okay. So Java options will work only for one command line. They not work for complete command prompt. No, I want to work with complete command prompt. Then what should I do? I have to use set class path option. One command prompt, all command lines. Then you have to use set class path equal to C colon slash test. Press enter. Then now observe Java sample working. Second command line working. Third command line working. In a different drive working. Okay. Different drive working. F colon different drive clear screen working. So once you set class path, it will work for all command lines in a single command prompt from all command lines from any drive, any directory, no problem. Now I am going to open new command prompt window, CMD. In this new command prompt window, Java sample will work or not? Will not work. Right. I open the new command prompt from the previous command prompt with the start option. Here Java sample will work or not? Yes, because it's a child command prompt. Previous setups will be coming. Okay, if I close this command prompt, the class path is lost. No, I want to make it permanent because every day I'm using this class path. Then in that case, you must do permanent variable setup. Right click, properties, advanced item settings, environment variables, new class path, and then I'm writing C colon slash test. Click OK, OK. Close this window. Open new command prompt window. And tell me, in this new command prompt window, you be there anywhere in the class, anywhere in the path folder. Any path folder path you open. If I type Java sample, will it work or not? Everyone should answer, sir. Will it work or not? Yes. Hello coming. Because already class path is loaded, na? echo percentage class path percentage. We are getting output C colon test. Is everyone understand? Abhishek is asking repeat last 2 minutes. Shall I repeat to other batches, other students? He's asking repeat last 2 minutes again. Shall I repeat? Other students? Oh. Okay. Sorry, brother. Other students are not agreed with your question. Okay. If you make other students agreed, then mobile. Okay. Other students are not agreed, so I cannot repeat. So you can find this this video in YouTube. You can go and check. Then look at there. I want you learn some of the options of Java C command. With Java C command yesterday, we have worked with one option called -d. We can also use other option called -source. -source is used for, -source is one of the options of Java C command. Using the option -source, we can compile the Java file using the given version number features. Current version is what? Current version. Current version, what is the current version? 14 version. I don't want to compile this program using 14 version. I want to compile this program by using lesser version, let's say 1.8. In my system, I have 14 version, only JDK 14 version there in my system. But I want to compile this program with lesser version. Is it possible or not? Possible. Okay, it is possible. Are you catching my point? It is possible. How? Simple. Look at there. You write Java C hyphen version following by, here you write 1.8 example.java. Then this example.java program will compile only with 1.8 version features. If you use Java 9 or Java 10 or Java 11, Java 12, Java 13 features, if you use, now the Java C compiler will throw error, because the Java C compiler know only which version features up to 1.8 only. In a company, if at all you require to compile your program targeting to lesser version compiler, then you must use option -source. -source is one of the options of Java C command. Using the option -source, we can compile the Java file using the given version features. In general, when we want to compile Java file using lesser version features by using higher version JDK, we will use -source option by mentioning the version number as shown above. I want to compile with 1.4 version, I have given like this. If you want to compile with 1.5 version, you compile using like that. Okay, then next, Java C -d C colon test example.java. All people know that -d. -d is also one of the options of Java C command. By using the option -d, we can save the generated.class file in another directory. In above command, compiler will save the generated.class file in the folder C colon test. Up to Java 8 version, we must explicitly create test folder in C drive, else compiler used to throw error. From Java 9 version onwards, we no need to create a test folder. We no need to create a test folder explicitly. Compiler automatically creates this folder. If it is not available, then saves the .class file in this folder. All are catching my point? No, Sai Teja, no need to install all JDK. We have only one JDK software. That's what I'm telling you. In general, when we want to compile the Java file using lesser version features by using higher version JDK, your installed JDK is what? 14. You don't have other version JDKs, but you want using JDK 14. Okay, using JDK 14, you wanted to compile using JDK 14. You want to compile the program using lesser version JDK. You don't have lesser version JDK in your system. That time hyphen source you have to use. If you have lesser version JDK, why you need hyphen version? Not required. Na, directly we set path na. Is it clear? Okay, YouTube live, Mr. Srikant G. How we set class path through environment variable in Linux. In Linux, there are no Windows option. No? In Linux, there is no Windows option. In Linux, you have to do file-based settings. You have to go to user folder. Linux, you created user. For your user, one folder will be created. In that folder, you will have, .bash underscore profile, one file will be there. In that file, you have to save your class path settings. Set class path equal to that C:\test, you have to save. Then it will work. Okay. Okay, all you people got clarity on hyphen soda, hyphen D options? In next coming classes, we are going to work. Okay, next. Look at there. I have two folders, C:\test and our project directory 01 Java Basics. Now by using hyphen D option, Java C hyphen D C:\test example.java. And now when I compile this program, .class file saved in C:\test. Okay. Then further, if I run Java first program here, we will get error. Could not find or load main class caused by java.lang. Then what should I do? I have to, it is searching only in the current working directory. Then how can I tell to compile command prompt? How can I tell to Java command it is available in C:\test? I have to use options, class path settings. How to use class path settings? Java -cp C:\test first program or okay, now I wanted to talk about options. Java -cp C:\test first program. Here I can use -cp or -class path or -- class -path also we can use. One of the options of Java command. By using -cp, we are setting class path with the folder C:\test. Then JVM will execute first program from C:\test folder. The limitation of -cp option, it can set class path only for the current command line. In the next command line, if you access first program directly, we will get exception. Look at that. Java -cp executed. Java first program, we got error. Then what the solution to this? If you want to access class path for all command lines, we must use set class path option. The limitation of set class path command option, this class path settings are available only for this command prompt only. If you want to have class path set up permanently for all command prompts, we must save class path in environment variable section. Okay, all you people got clarity? Yeah? So these are all the important points you should know. Okay, next note. In our system, by default, the environment variable class path is not available because class path is specific to Java and is related and its related softwares. So class path is not by default available. So we must create it newly by using new button. By chance, if you have class path variable already, you must not create it. Rather, you must update it by using edit button. Okay, now? Everybody got clarity? Yeah? Okay, in YouTube live, one student has asked the question, what is this session? What is he teaching? Already session heading I have given na class path and source file FAQs. Okay, by Hari Krishna. Already given option, right? Arey Baba. I don't know why you people are not reading heading. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the basic idea about class path. Everybody got clarity a class path related story? Shall I ask next question? No, he's not negative person. So he's a positive person. He's not scolding. Just he is asking the people. So I want, why you people are dependent on others? Why don't you find yourself? What is teaching? This video heading will be there, video has a title. So people now only watching the comment, live comment, but people don't watch the other things. Always people wanted to depending on others. I don't know why. Okay, fine. Now I wanted to ask you the next questions. Look at here. Very interesting question I'm asking. Observe, open command prompt window. Let me close this. Once again, I will open command prompt window. This is C. This is a C colon test folder. This is our Java basics folder. From the Java basics folder, I open command prompt window. Now listen carefully. Here, I wanted to compile Java C a.java program compile and executed. Dot class file created in the same folder and executed. Output coming. Oh, hey, why you are getting the error? Could not find or load main class A. Java.lang.class not found exception. In the current directory, Java basics a.class file is available now. Why did throwing error could not find or load? Any intelligent student, can you please think and tell me? Why did throwing error? Whenever we got error, could not find or load main class, or whenever you got error, class not found exception, what immediately you must verify? What you must immediately verify? Class path settings. Oh, class is available, but still it is throwing error. Immediately you must go and check class path. So JVM is going to class path. Maybe let me check class path. Class path. Aha, class path. We don't have main method. Akila, if you don't have main method, will get error. Main method not found, na? Right, class path variable you set with what? C colon test. Whenever you type Java A, JVM will not search for the class in current directory. It will search the class in class path folder. What the class path folder? C colon test. It will go to C colon test. In C colon test, what folder is there? Sample.class. Sample.class file is it is available. Sample.class. A.class file is not available. Hence, it is coming and throwing error. Sir, it is available in my current directory. Na? That is the algorithm of class path. That is the algorithm of Java and Java C. Java and Java C will search for the classes only in the class path variable. All are catching my point? They will search only in the class path variable. Then, sir, earlier we didn't set the class path, na, sir. Right? Earlier we didn't set the class path. That time it is working fine. As long as you didn't set class path. Whenever you type Java, Java C, compiler and JVM software, first search for the class path. If a class path is not there, then they will consider current working directory as the class path value. All are catching my point? All are catching my point? Now, let me go to environment variables window. Okay. Let me go to environment variables window, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, deleting this class path variable. Okay. Okay. Close. Then open command prompt window. Okay. And then now type Java. Already compiled na A. Java A. Will work or not? Yes. Main method started. 10 by 0, 10 by 5, 2 and main end. Babu, all people got clarity of what I'm telling? So tell me, when Java and Java C will consider current working directory as a class path value only if you don't create class path. Tell me, I want to access sample class. What should I do to access sample class? Java sample, if you write, will it work or not? No, it will throw error. Then what should I do? I should either temporary settings, command line settings, command prompt settings, or permanent settings. Any of the three you have to use. Command line settings, command prompt settings you have to use. Now I'm using command line settings. Java -cp C:/test. C:/test. And now sample. It is available only for this command line. Executed hello. Tell me, in the next line, if you run sample, will it work or not? No, it will not work. Tell me, in the next line, if you run Java A, not Java, Java A, if you write, will it output? Will you get output or not? Come on, come on, come on. Everyone should answer. If you run Java A, will you get output or not? Yes. Why? Because This class path setup will be work only for this command line. Sample searching class path is not there. So Java searching for sample in Java basics not available. Now Java searching for a dot class in Java basics available, executed. So now next option. If I run, uh, if you run set class path equal to, I'm setting the path at command prompt c:/test press enter. And if you run Java sample, will you get any error? No. If you run Java A, will you get any error? Yes. Mummy. And if you set class path, current directory classes will not work. So what the solution to this problem? The solution to this problem is set class path equal to, you want to access the classes available in the current directory. Yes or no? This current directory is represented by dot. Okay, na? Current directory represented by whom, na? Dot represents current directory, dot following by semicolon. Then you should place what? C:/test. You want to access classes available in current directory and you want to access the classes available in other directory. So first current directory following by semicolon following by C:/test. Then now observe now. If run Java sample, it will work or not? Yes. Tell me what Java command will do. Java command first verifies is class path created or not. Yes, created. Then it will search for sample in class path folder. What the class path folder? Dot means what? Current working directory. What the current working directory? The command running Java basics. In Java basics sample folder, sample.class file available? No. Then come back, collect the next folder. What the next folder? C:/test. It is going to C:/test. In C:/test sample.class file available? Yes. It will execute and display output from here. Already following? Am I going fast? Am I going fast? Am I going fast? Are you understanding? I am going fast. No doubt. I am going fast. If you're still not understanding, if you're feeling I am going faster, then you have to increase your speed. So that is your problem. You are coming slow. Okay. I am not going fast. You are coming slow. You have to increase your speed. Get up, sit properly. If you sit properly, you will understand. If you lay down on the bed and you are watching the screen, you will feel I'm going fast. Get up, get up, get up. Sit down properly and listen. Now tell me, hello, output is coming. Tell me, if I write Java A, will you get output or will you get error? Will you get output or will you get error? We will get output. Now tell me, if I run Java A, is JVM searching for A class in current directory? Hey, no. It is searching where? In the class path. In class path, first what you said? Dot. Dot means what? Current directory. What the current directory? Java basics folder. Go to D, core Java, Java basics, A dot class file found. Taking the bytecode, executed and giving output to us. So finally, I want to ask one question. Are you ready to answer? I want to execute classes which are available in different directory. And if you set class path pointing to that directory, can you execute the classes available in current directory? Come on, come on. Can you execute the classes available in current directory? No. What should I do to execute the classes available in current directory? We must place dot in the class path. We must place dot in the class path so that the classes available in current directory and the classes available in different directory both will be accessed. Some people are asking, sir, no need to compile. Are babu, already I compile na a dot class file already available na. Then why need to compile again? Already compiled, right? Okay. Now I want to ask question. Ready? Now tell me here, what is the class path you have set? Echo percentage class path percentage. Okay, this is the class path value. Now I am changing to E drive. In E drive, Java sample will work or not? Bolo bolo. From E drive, I am accessing sample class to execute. Will it work or not? Your batch students are very slow, very slow. You are not responding fast. If this is the way, our course will take so many months, cannot complete within the scheduled time. Okay? So, this fellow is really brainless fellow, Babu. How many times I scold also, he will ask all these type of dirty, tumri, idiot questions. He's really brainless fellow. He's the number one BTech student. Sukanta Sahu, number one BTech student. All you students, can you please check once his question? And what is your response to this question? Can you please tell me? You respond, I don't respond, okay? You respond. Which is better for software industry? Permanent settings class path or temporary setting class path? You respond. At this stage, he is asking this question. What is your feeling, Bhaiya? Other students, what is your feeling? YouTube live people, what is your feeling? Many people are feeling that I am scolding the students. Don't scold students. Should I scold now? Not. I should murder him, na? Make him pieces, na? Why you are waiting, Sukan Sahu? Why you are waiting? Is that question really should ask me? Is that question really should ask me? Is it required to ask that question? Is it a useful question to at least one person? Temporary settings is recommended, permanent settings recommended. What you are asking, the words itself telling, na? If you want to use a class path for one-time execution, we will set temporarily. What is your qualification? What is your qualification? BTech, that's why this is the problem. Okay. 11 o'clock, okay, in 11 o'clock, 6th class student is there. He's too much advanced than you people. Just I'll talk one word, he will prepare, 10 words himself. 6th class student. That's why I'm telling BTech brains people are dead brain people. Minimum analyzation also they cannot do. Temporary, permanent. I want to use the path only one time, then go for temporarily. After that, not required. I want this path repeatedly today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, many times, then go for permanent. Okay. So why you people are coming to classes? Huh? You are here only to ask questions, huh? Not used to your brain. My bad luck, really my bad luck. So you people are coming to the, okay? You are coming to the software industry. Once you come to software industry, Nana, team lead, team manager will die like anything. If you ask you to apply some color to the window, you will go and ask, sir, blue color is recommended, green color is recommended, red color is recommended. Huh? Read document, in the document, whatever color is there, that you apply. Achcha, you should read the document, sir. So the company who is giving you job to you, definitely he will die, no doubt. Come on, try to answer now. Java sample will work or not? Java sample will work or not? Will not work. Okay. So this is what your concentration levels. Okay. Array, what the algorithm I told you? When you type Java sample, JVM will search for sample.class file in the class path. In class path, what are the folders placed? Dot and C:\test. In C:\test. Now the sample.class file is available. It will execute and will give you output na. Ma Pooja, Pooja, what Pooja? You also BTech? Hmm? Output is hello. Please stop use your brain. Don't show your talent. Tell yourself. Okay? Tell yourself, I should not use my brain. Okay? Mr. Sukant Sahu, I know you are a confusion master. You are the number one confusion master because you are always concentrating on keyboard. Your hands always there on the keyboard. Next, let me ask a question. Let me ask a question. Let me ask a question. Your concentration is only asking the questions, not using the brain, not using the points I have given. Okay, that's why you will be in a confusion mode. That's your problem. No one can solve your problem. You only should solve yourself. Remove the hands from the keyboard and only listen what I am telling. Okay, only concentrate on what I am explaining and have a mindset that based on the explanation in the next couple of minutes he is going to ask the questions. I should answer the questions by using these points. That is the way you have to continue the class. They're gonna put your hands on keyboard and now you explain. I will ask a question. If you be like that, you never understand what I am telling. Okay, and Mr. Sukan Sahu. Okay, so Bikram Sahu is giving the good suggestion to you. Go for meditation and yoga. Your mind concentration will be improved. Entra babu. Bujji topic. Okay. Now. All people got clarity? Yeah? Again repeating. What is compiler and JVM functionality to find the classes? Okay. What is the compiler and JVM functionalities to find the classes? Compiler and JVM will find the classes. Compiler and JVM will find the classes by following algorithm. What is the algorithm? What is the algorithm? It is first checking, is a class path already created? If a class path already created, it will follow the class path settings only. Search for the classes only the folders available in the class path. It will not search in the current directory. If a class path is not created, then it is searching in the current directory. So what is the compiler and JVM algorithm for finding the classes? Okay, first priority to class path folders. Okay, second, if class path is not created, if class path is not created, then only look into where? Then only looking into where? Present working directory. Okay, this is the important statement you have to observe. Then tell me, I am typing Java A. Bolo, will it work or not? Come on, at least I'm expecting some 90% of the students should give the correct answer. Java A will work or not? Mukesh Das. Okay, Mukesh of Sindhu, Poonam, Sukan Sahu. Okay, Krishnaveni, Kiran Kumar. Next, Shruti, Soni, ER Minshu, Himanshu, ER Himanshu. Will not work. Will not work. Will not work. Why will not work? Why will not work? In class path, what you mentioned, dot. Dot means what? Current working directory. What is the current working directory to this command now? What is the current working directory for this command now? E drive. In E drive, J dot class file is there. All you realized? What the mistake you did? All you realized? Dot means not Java basics folder. Dot means current directory at which the path at which you are running the Java command is the current working directory. Current working directory. Is it clear to all? So tell me, I'm going back to D drive. I'm going back to D drive Java basics. If I run Java A, will it work now? What is the class path? This is the class path. If I run Java A, will it work now? Yes. Because The current working directory is the command line path. This command line path is what? Java basics folder. Now in Java basics folder, A is available. It will work. Tell me, if you go to C drive, I come to C drive. In C drive, Java A will work or not? Will not work. Because current directory is now C drive. It will not work. Okay. Nomala Chandrasekhar, you have got frustrated on me because I am taking their question in the middle of the class. Okay. These people are Gajani fellows. They don't remember the points. Now, will they remember their questions and their doubts by end of the class? Come on. Chandrasekhar, please realize, Nana. Okay. They're the Gajani fellows. If they don't understand the point now, if you don't take their questions and if you don't correct their mistake, okay, if I'm taking their questions at end of the class, then whatever the topic 2 hours I have explained, they don't understand. Again, 2 hours I have to spend with them. Is it clear? So that's why our class is a live class. It's not a recorded class. Na? What the meaning of live class? Your doubts will be cleared live there and then. Why I'm asking the questions to you? I want to take answers from you. Okay, if you give right answer, it's okay. If you give wrong answer, I must correct your answer and I should go to the next point. Okay, don't expect all students are intelligent. I will always expect, I always believe all students are not intelligent. All you people are brainless people. I am here to make you brainful people. So my initial days concentration is only on people who are confusing. If I correct their confusion in the beginning days live at that moment, whenever they confuse, if I correct their mistake, then the next question slowly, they will start thinking in a proper way. By 2 to 3 days, they will become perfect in the subject. Like you, they also become intelligent people. Clear my point? That's what my intention of making the class interactive. That's why I given chat box, active. So if you want to take your questions at last, then what happen? Complete class will be in confusion. So I'm not teaching. Remember, I'm not teaching. I'm not making the points to know. I am here to make you software engineer. I am discussing the subject with you. In the process of discussion, people will get confusion. Definitely I will scold. People who are confusing, I will scold them so that they will think properly. Okay, fine. So everyone got clarity? Yeah? Now tell me, you go to any drive, will Java sample will work or not? Yes. Why? Because you set the full path to the drive. That's why it will work. So what is the point? If you are in the current directory where the Java file .class file is available, just you put dot. If you guarantee always you will open the project directory to compile your program, then you have to place a dot. Okay, now I'm going to give you set class path something like this. Observe, set class path equal to dot semicolon. Now tell me, dot means currently which drive? Dot means which drive now? C drive. Wonderful. D colon slash D colon slash D colon slash 01 core Java slash 01 Java basics semicolon C colon slash test. If I give, these are the 3 class paths I have given, 3 folders I set in the class path. And then what happened? The classes available in the current directory will be found. The classes available in the Java basics folder will be found. The classes available in the test folder also will found. Now tell me, here I am writing Java A. Will it found or not now? Yes, earlier we got error, now it will found. It is found because of dot or because of Java basics path. Okay, it's found in core Java, Java basics. And then next, tell me, if you wanted to find Java sample, if you run Java sample, will it work or not? Yes, it's working because of which path? Test folder. Will it go to test folder directly? No. First it is going, I told you, first come, first serve execution. It is first searching dot. Dot means current directory. Current directory C. In C drive sample is there? No. Then go into next directory, D core Java, Java basics. Do you have the sample.class file there? No. Then moving to the next, C test. C test, is it available? Yes, it is collecting from there and executing and showing output. Okay, all people understand the path, class path? All people got clarity on class path? Now I'm going to E drive. Tell me, from E drive, is that class path will work or not? Yes. What the class path value? Dot D Java basic C test. Now tell me, dot. What the meaning of dot now? Dot means what? Java basics folder? No, current directory. What the current directory? E drive. Now I type Java A. Will it work? Yes. Now Java sample. Will it work? Yes. Java sample. Will it work? Yes. And tell me, now if you type Java B, will it work? Come on. Java B. Will it work? No. Why? Because compiler software, JVM software searching for B in the class path in current directory E drive, not available. In Java basics folder, not available. In C colon tester, not available. Hence it will throw error. Could not find or load main class B caused by java.lang. Class not found exception B. Can I hope all the people got clarity? Yeah? Then finally, the rule. Whenever we are creating class path, if you want to execute classes from current working directory, you must set class path with dot semicolon. Semicolon is for separation. We must place dot semicolon at the beginning of the class path. Otherwise, the classes available in present working directory are not executed. All are catching my point, right? So this is the basic important rule you must follow. And tell me, you are doing either set class path temporary wise, or if you are doing what you call class path permanently. However you are doing, you have to do class path setting, okay, with the dot semicolon. Now tell me, I wanted to do class path permanently. Are you ready now? Right click this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Now class path is not there. I should create a new. Now I'm setting class path. And now tell me, variable value. Your fingers should automatically type first dot. You must habituate. Dot semicolon. Dot semicolon following by. Come on. Dot semicolon following by. What do you write? What do you write? C colon slash test. Tell me, 01 Java basics folder. Should I set or not required? Not required. You wanted to run your classes always from your project directory, na? Project directory is changing time to time. When project directory changing time to time, we'll go for change directory, right? So what you have to set in path and class path, which is a permanent folder. Permanent folders only you have to set. So how can you specify? If you say D:01 Java basics, tomorrow project folder is comments. Day after tomorrow project folder is third chapter data types. Then folder to folder, whenever you are changing, every time you change the class path. Wrong idea, na? What is the dynamic class path? Dot. Are you catching my point? In the command prompt window, you change to the directory. That directory automatically included in the class path by using dot. So only dot you have to refer and change the current directory. Okay. Close this. Tell me, with this class path setups, and tell me now, I am going clear, exit it. As per project, what are you doing? As per project, what are you doing? You will go to present working directory, your project directory you are going, make the project directory as a current directory. Then now tell me, you are going to run Java A. Will it will work or not? Yes. I'm running Java sample. Will it work or not? Yes. Below, once again I'm asking, if you go to E drive, will it work? If you go to E drive, will it work? No, because current directory is E. Will not work. Who will not work? A will not work. Sample will work, na? A will not work, but sample will work, right? Because sample path you have done, complete folder path you have included. So dot is the dynamic class path referring to current working directory. So in which folder you are running the program, that will become current directory. So this is the basic idea about all the entry questions. I hope you got clarity. Can you please read from 31 question onwards and then answer? Mr. Ismail Iman, I'm not a mad person. You are the mad person, seems to be. Okay. So current topic is different from the question you have asked. That's why I didn't answer to your question. Understand, Mr. Pagal person? You don't have minimum common sense to how to talk to a faculty. Understand? You don't have minimum common sense how to talk to the guru. You are learning something from me and you are scolding me. What a worst idiot tumri fellow you are. Okay? You should have a patience. If you don't have patience, don't have patience, you can leave the class. Understand? I know to what question to answer at what time. Okay? Don't behave like a brainless person. Know how to interact with the faculty. Clear? Your question answer is path variable you have to set. Now, are you there? Mr. Emmanuel, you have to set the path variable. If you set path variable, Java C problem will be solved. That already over, the session already over. Understand? You should set path variable. Currently, I'm discussing class path. In the middle, how can I teach you the earlier topic? Minimum common sense should be there. What question you are asking? You ask the question, I have seen. Then when situation come, I will answer to you. It is not between you and me interaction section. Understand? It is not between you and me. It is not one-to-one class, right? There are totally 500 students are there. And this is not the regular class of you. It is not you. It is my class. It is my class. There are so many students are there who know already your question answer. How can I in middle I can disturb them? SK Saifuddin. So now Java C file not found usage option source file. You are getting that error because the change path, you must change the path. Okay. Look at here. I am open this Java. Here I am typing Java C a.java. Yesterday I have explained the topic. Sorry. Yesterday I have explained the topic. Java C a.java when you type with the name a.java, the folder is not available. File not found a.java. Okay. Java C option source found. Where a.java file available? Wherever you have saved, there you should go. Or you might have saved this a.java with a .txt extension. Are you catching my point? SK Saifuddin. Just you check with that a.java file saved with extension .java or .txt. Which extension you have saved, that extension you have to check. So make sure when you are saving from the notepad, okay, when you're saving from the notepad, you must save with double quotes. Double quotes, a.java if you save, it will save with the .java extension, and then following by you have to you have to change the directory path to the Java basics folder, then it will work. Otherwise, you'll keep on getting that error. Please verify yesterday video, you will understand it. Okay, and next, Ismail, what is your question? Is there any alternative way, sir, you are telling? What the meaning of alternative way? For what topic is there any other way? You didn't give the question properly. And you are scolding me. Wonderful. If I ask a question proper way, I can answer proper way. So how your parents are, giving you education to you, how you are growing in the market. What question you are asking? Guys, look at his question and he's scolding me. Hmm? Is there any other way, sir? What other way? Your question itself is a half. How can I answer to your question? He also asked, SK Saifuddin is asked the question before you. He's waiting. He's waiting to answer to his question because this question is yesterday topic completed. I have my own students. This is not a live class. This is my own students. I am giving this class to you free of cost to make you understand these topics. Brainless fellows. So you are not giving respect to me. Understand? You are not giving respect to the teacher. Then I know how wonderfully you are behaving with your other people. Hmm? How you are giving respect to your friends and your neighbors. How you are talking. About IVM. What is IVM? What is the meaning of IVM? There is no IVM. So learn first of all how to ask a question so that faculty will reply. Come to the story now. I don't want to waste the time with these people. And now look at the Nana. So now look at these questions and answer quickly. If you save dot class in different directory, can we access this class automatically from present working directory? What is your answer? Yes or no? No. What must we do to access a class from one directory to another directory? We must set class path. What are the different ways we can set class path? We can set class path in 3 ways or 5 ways. What the use of Java command option -cp -class path or hyphen class path? It is used for setting class path for the current command line. Next, what are the differences between all above 3 approaches of setting class path? Okay, not these 3 approaches. Let me say all above 5 approaches. Let me write here 5 approaches. Okay. I will come to your question, Mr. Ismail. Please wait. Let me finish these questions. 5 approaches of setting class path. If we set class path by using -cp or -class path or hyphen class path, those setups are available only for current command prompt. Here I have mentioned in this window. So I hope you can copy it later. Okay. So already there, here's the screen. Next, if we set class path by using set class path command, the class path available for one command prompt window temporarily. If you set class path by using permanent setups, it is available, okay, permanently, anytime you can access. Okay, next one. If we set class path pointing to one directory, for example, C:\test, can we execute the class available in present working directory? No. What must we do to execute classes from present working directory? We have to include dot in the class path. What is the importance of dot in the class path? So if you set class path pointing to one directory, if you don't place a dot, the classes available in present working directory will not be found by compiler and JVM. Dot represents current working directory. Current working directory means not the folder where you save the .java file, the folder path where you open the command prompt. Are you catching my point? So if you want dot to work to execute your classes, you have to change the folder path to the Java files saved directory. Okay, without including dot in class path. If you create a class path, what is the problem? The classes available in the current directory will not be executed. Is it required to include dot in path variable? All the people answer. Is it required to include dot in path? Path is meant for finding binary files, Java, C, Java. Na? Are you developing pathway? Are you developing binary files? Never. Okay, right? You are not developing binary files. Binary files are already developed by Sun Microsystem, which are available in JDK folder. All are catching my point? So dot no need to place in path. So if you place a dot in a what you call path variable, is there any problem? No problem, and it is useless. Okay, it's useless. I wanted to add one more statement. Okay, what is the searching algorithm? What is the difference in What is the difference in? What is the difference? RENC. What the difference in path and class path searching algorithm? Okay, path and class path searching algorithm. This is very important point. Please try to focus. Do you remember class path? Once you set class path, what happened? Tell me. Once you set class path, current working directory classes will never identified. Always class path folders only it will use, right? Now observe, I wanted to ask you one small question. Open command prompt window. Already we have set path variable, na? Set path. Inside path variable, which JDK path we have included? 14 version. Now Java C hyphen version, if you run, which version coming? 14 version. Now observe, I am changing the directory to C:/JDK 1.6/bin. Okay, tell me, Java C hyphen version, if you write, bolo, command prompt window, searching for Java C in a path variable. If not available, get Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, right? Tell me now. Java C command prompt software searching in path variable, where is that? Searching in path variable only na, or first priority will give to the bin folder. What do you say? First priority will give to current working directory, or first priority will give to path variable? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Which priority it will give first? What is your idea? Come on, come on. Everyone should answer. Everyone should answer. Command prompt will give first priority to current working directory or to the path variable. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. What is the answer we are getting? 1.6. That means command prompt software will give first priority to current working directory. Then go to D drive. In D drive, now once again I will run all these options. Oh, sorry. Now that is a path value. In a current working directory, Java C is not available. Then the next option will be path. Okay. Now I am writing set path equal to blah blah blah. In path variable, nothing is there. Okay. Then now set Java C hyphen version. If you run, then tell me what will get now. Now we'll get error. It's not there in the current working directory. Okay. Not there in the current working directory and not there in the path variable. Not there in the path variable. So you will get what? Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. Are the catch my point? Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So what is the algorithm of command prompt software? Command prompt software is searching first in current working directory. Then next it is searching in path variable directories. Okay. If they are also not found, then we will get what? Error, not recognized. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? Everybody got clarity? Yeah? This is command prompt. Then tell me, what is the algorithm for Java C and Java searching algorithm? It will not give the priority to current working directory. It will give priority to only class path, comma, if class path not created, comma, if class path is not created, very important point star, not created, then what? Then current working directory is considered. Okay, if they're also not available, then finally we will get error. What the error? Could not find or load main class. So this is the very important. Java C and Java will consider only class path. According to class path, it will work. If class path is not there, then only it will go for current working directory. But come to the command prompt window, first it is considering current working directory. If not available, then only considering path. Okay, if that is also not available, then not recognized error coming. So this is the basic idea. Baba Ismail Iman, I am talking very, very slow. You are not understanding this speed. Then I cannot help you. Today I'm speaking very slow, damn slow I'm speaking. If you take other videos, then you will not understand even one letter also seems to be. Today I'm speaking very, very damn slow. Okay, somebody click on raise button. So did you understand the story now? Okay, I hope all you people got clarity on all the points, whatever I discussed. Then final question, can you tell me what we must verify when we get the exception java.lang.class not found exception? What should we verify? I got error, class not found exception. What should we verify? Bolo. What should you verify? Class path. Okay, class path you must verify. In a class path, if the class folder path is not available, you must verify current working directory. In current working directory, dot class file is not there, then you get error. So if you see this error, you must search for two things. Number one, with that class, dot class file there or not, you have to check. If a dot class file is there, then you have to check what? Class path. Everyone understand? Right. Both are problem, then you have to work on creating class path. Next question, very interesting. Let me see how many people correctly answer. What must we do if you get java.lang.class not found exception, even though we have dot class file in present working directory? What must we do if you get java.lang.class not found exception, even though we have dot class file in present working directory? What should I do? In present working directory, dot class file is there, but still it is throwing error, class not found exception. What should I do? Excellent, wonderful, marvelous. Clear class path. Shiva, if you remove class path, how other classes can access Nana? Yes or no? What you must place? In a class path, you must place dot semicolon. Okay, na? So today we have discussed, these are the horrible points. I went very slow because today class is little confusion. So many points are there. So will you please practice all these points? Okay. All you people got clarity on today class? Class path related. Simple, 2 points only we discussed. Class path, dot. You know, most important story you need to understand, class path and dot. Only 2 points. Final conclusion I'm giving only 2 points. Dot class, class path, and then following by compiler JVM algorithm. First searching in present working directory. No. Searching for class path variable. If class path variable is not there, then searching for present working directory. I saved my program as first example.java, but it is showing. I told you now you have to enable extensions. .java extensions you have to enable by using option. Go to the folder. Hey. Go to the folder. This is your saved folder. Go to the folder. Go to view. Go to the view. Then file name extensions. Look at there in my system also. File name extensions are not there. Then view. Click on file name extension option. Then extensions will be visible. Siddharth, understand? Okay. So I hope today class all you understood. Okay. Mr. Ismail, as per Java, you have to save only one way. That is .java extension and .class extension. Okay. So there is no other options for Java language. another language, JVM languages, another languages are there, Scala there, Python there, other JVM languages, their extensions are different. Hyphen source option available from beginning version itself. Hyphen source, hyphen D, these two options available from beginning version. Hyphen D, hyphen CP, hyphen class path. Hyphen class hyphen path only available from latest version, JDK 9. Okay, any more questions in today class? One last question can I ask? Will you try yourself? Tell me, in class path, I have placed multiple folders. Can I fold multiple folders now? In class path, if you include multiple directories, and if a dot class file is available in all directories, same dot class file, sample dot class file available in all directories, from which directory the class is executed? Path class path, I told you, first come, first execute, na? First come, first execute, right? So always they're executed from first directory. So first directory dot executing from current working directory. First directory, if you play C:test, executing from test folder. I hope you can test it. Test yourself by swapping the folder order. Okay, first C:'test, then semicolon dot, then first dot, then C:'test. You try. Okay, I hope this question already answered. Can we install multiple JDK softwares in your system? Yes. Then from which version JDK the compiler and JVM will execute it? Based on the path. Whose JDK path you placed first, from that it will execute. Final question, what are the differences between path and class path? What are the differences between path and class path? Already we discussed this point now. Final conclusion point. I'll show you the slide. Once again, you please read after going to home. Where is that? Yeah. Okay, this is the slide I have shown you already that time. No, using current version, you can compile with lesser version, Nana Siva. How can I compile with higher version? How? You know yesterday. How do you know tomorrow? Shiva, you are today. You are in today. How do you know yesterday? You know yesterday what happened, day before yesterday what happened. How do you know tomorrow, day after tomorrow? Using one version JDK, that JDK know its features, and that JDK know previous versions. How it know next version features? Come on, buddy, wake up. Try to think properly. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the full information about path and class path slide. Okay. After going to room, open this video and please read. Otherwise, take slide, take screenshot. It is used for finding binary files, used for finding library files. So I have completed full knowledge on path and class path, dot operator, command prompt algorithm, compiler JVM algorithm. Every point clearly I have explained. It's a time you have to practice once and remember all the points by your own. Okay. Ultimate Warrior, I don't know that. Okay. I'm not teaching C#.NET. I don't know that. And next, Ismail. Okay, if Whoops Concepts is coming in any other batch, I will give you live. That time you can come. Fine. So now this is the story about today class. Okay, let's see any other questions are there. Okay, these questions we'll discuss in tomorrow, different story. Problem compiled by using higher version. Program compiled by using higher JDK. Let's say 14. Can we execute this class using lesser version JVM? Is it possible? Compile using higher version JDK. Can you execute by using lesser version JVM? Not possible. Okay, it's not possible. It will throw error. Why? Because the compiler using 14, the features are not known to lesser version. Tomorrow you don't know. Today only you can know. Tomorrow you don't know. So JVM 13 know JVM 13 features and lesser features. JDK 14 knows JDK 14 and lesser features. If you compile with JDK 14 features are there which are not known to JVM. That's why it's not possible to know. Okay, right. In tomorrow class, more 3 questions are there. We will complete them. So what we must do when we get error, unsupported version class error? How can we know the class compiled using which version compiler? How do we know? Okay, which version compiler compiled? So we higher version JDK you have used, lesser version JVM I am using. Which version JVM I must use? How do I know? Okay, this is a very important entry question. Okay, that we'll see in tomorrow class. How can we compile a Java file with lesser version compiler? By using install by using higher version JDK. Already I told you this, by using -source option, by using -source. Okay, this one question is there, that we'll see in tomorrow class. Okay, so that's all for today class. I hope today class class path full clarity, compiler and JVM related complete option, compiler JVM class path, all the options, totally 50 questions, everything I have covered. Okay, so Shiva, in path variable we must add bin folder because binary files are there in the bin folder. In class path we must add lib/jar file because predefined all classes are available as a group in jar file, not in a lib folder directly, right? That's why you must include jar file. Is it clear? Fine. That's all for the day. So see you tomorrow. I have another class now. Tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we will continue next entry questions, that is source file entry questions. Tomorrow onwards programming will start. Today we discussed compiler and JVM. Tomorrow onwards programming will start. Okay, pure programming, no commands, nothing. Pure programming will start. Yeah. So jar files is not mandatory. My class sample class is not available in jar file, Nana. If I create sample class inside jar file, then I should include jar file. I place sample.class directly in the folder. That's why I included folder. If you want predefined classes to access, then you should use jar file. I'll show you that tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. I have another class now. Let me wind up and tomorrow I'll explain the remaining thing. Clear? So happy Raksha Bandhan to all. Don't go outside. Please be there safe. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. I hope you understand today class and enjoy all the questions. Okay. I hope I answered all your questions. Still any question not answered? Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll discuss. And please watch this video once again if you have any doubts. Thank you. Bye-bye.